Hi! Staying at home during a self-isolation exercise does not mean that you cannot be productive.
What are you guys doing at home today? Nothing? Cooking? Actually, there's something that you can do for the benefit of the potential future.
Are you afraid of anything? I am not. And you shouldn't. Why? Because Propenomy Tribe is going to be sorting out a lot of your issues.
If you have a passion for something, cooking, artwork, graphics design, music, gardening, digital marketing, copywriting, selling properties, producing awesome videos, anything at all, let's start honing those passions and let's monetize them and get you geared up for new opportunities when we overcome this pandemic.
Well, Propenomy Tribe is the place for you to provide you a platform to generate further income.
If you're interested to be a part of this amazing tribe and really make a difference, just click on the link below and we'll see you soon.